Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Taylor Digital Timer, a compact and versatile tool that can make your kitchen tasks a whole lot easier. We discovered this handy product online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check its latest availability and details. So, what exactly is the Taylor Digital Timer? This is a lightweight, easy-to-use timer designed primarily for kitchen cooking, baking, and other timing needs. It features a sleek white design that not only makes it look modern but also ensures it can fit seamlessly into any kitchen decor. But let's dive a little deeper into its standout features. First up, we have the multifunctionality of this timer. It can count both up and down, which is perfect for a variety of scenarios. Whether you're timing a cake in the oven or tracking the time for your workout, this timer has you covered. The ability to count up is especially useful if you're looking to monitor how long something has been cooking or if you're timing an activity that doesn't have a set end time. One of the most important aspects of any timer is readability, and the Taylor Digital Timer excels in this area. It boasts a 0.75-inch display that is clear and easy to read, even from across the kitchen. This is a significant advantage, especially when you're busy working on multiple dishes or baking projects and need to keep an eye on the timer at a glance. Now let's talk about its impressive capabilities. The timer can display up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're brewing coffee, boiling eggs, or even timing a presentation, this timer can handle it all. Its versatility makes it not just a kitchen tool but a valuable assistant for home chefs and professionals alike. Another key feature of this timer is its design. It comes with multiple mounting options, including a clip, magnet, or stand. This means you can place it exactly where you need it, whether that's on your refrigerator, a countertop, or even in your pocket during a cooking class. The ability to position it in various ways makes it adaptable to different environments, ensuring you can always keep track of your time, no matter the situation. And let's not forget about convenience. The timer comes with an AAA battery included, so you can start using it right out of the box. This is a fantastic feature for those who don't want to deal with the hassle of purchasing batteries separately. So, who is this timer suitable for? Well, it's perfect for home cooks and bakers who want to streamline their cooking processes. It's also great for students or professionals who need to keep track of time during lectures or meetings. Additionally, if you're into fitness, this timer can help you manage intervals during workouts, making it a multifaceted tool for anyone looking to improve their time management skills. In terms of practical use cases, imagine baking a cake and needing to time it perfectly to achieve that fluffy texture. Or perhaps you're in the middle of preparing a complex meal with multiple components that require precise timing. The Taylor Digital Timer can handle all of that with ease. It can also be used for timing activities outside the kitchen, such as board games, workouts, or even meditation sessions, making it a truly multifunctional device. In conclusion, the Taylor Digital Timer is a compact yet powerful tool that can enhance your cooking and timing experience. With its easy-to-read display, multifunctional capabilities, and versatile design, it's an excellent addition to any kitchen or workspace. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.